Everybody. All right, so today's lesson is going to be about atoms. Okay, so we're still studying atoms, right? But we're going to study why some atoms bond and other atoms don't bond. We're going to be studying bonding, the bonding of atoms, okay? Say it. Bonding of atoms. Bonding of atoms. You gotta say it clear so they can hear you. Atoms! Okay. The bonding of atoms. Okay? Okay. Now, we know that atoms are a particle of matter. What are atoms? A particle of matter. Okay, and they consist of how many parts? 4. Okay, they consist of 4 parts. Proton, electron, neutron, and nucleus. Let's say it again. Proton, electron, nucleus, and neutron. Okay, so neutron, nucleus, proton, electron. Neutron, nucleus, proton, and the electron. Okay, so we know that those are the 4 parts, right? Yeah. Okay, now we're going to break it down. Some focus. I need you focus. Okay, some atoms bond. Say it. Some atoms bond. And some atoms don't bond. And some atoms don't bond. Now, the question we want to figure out today is why do some atoms bond? Why do some atoms bond? And others don't. And others don't. All right, now, hydrogen atoms. H stands for hydrogen. Hydrogen atoms. Bonds with oxygen atoms. Oxygen atoms. Okay. Oxygen atoms, right? Yes. Okay. When a hydrogen atom bond with an oxygen atom, we have what's called water. Water, okay? And that is represented as H2O. H2O is water. Now, H2O is water, and that is a bonding, say it is a bonding of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Now, there's another atom that's called a noble gas. Oh! Noble gas. That's a new one. Yes, a new one. Noble gas, right? Okay, sit up. Come on, we need you to focus. Focus. Sit up. Sit back. Sit up. Sit straight. Breathe. You relax? I need you to concentrate on what we're studying. Don't stop swinging your legs. Don't swing your legs. I just need you to look. Concentrate on what? On my mind. Your mind. Not your feet, not your hands. No swinging. Just focus on the mind. Your only thing that you need to concentrate on activating right now is your mind. Concentrate on stillness and just focusing your mind. Okay? All right, so you have a hydrogen atom, 2 hydrogen atoms, and 1 oxygen atom. And that forms water. All right, you see how you're moving your head? That lets me know you're not concentrating on your mind. The only thing that needs to move is your mind. Everything else still. Got it? Yes. Okay. How many hydrogen atoms? 2. How many oxygen atoms? 1. When they combine and bond, what do they form? 4. No, they form water. See, this is what lets me know you're not concentrating. Stop moving your hands and just focus on your mind. Think my mind. Think mind. That's all you need to think. Mind. That's the only thing that needs to be moving. How many hydrogen atoms? 2. How many oxygen atoms? 1. When they come together, what do they make?
Water.
Good job. Good job. Now, one more time. How many hydrogen atoms?
2.
How many oxygen atoms?
1.
When they combine,
Water.
they make?
Water.
What do you do with water?
Drink.
Good job. All right. So we're learning.
I think all of those lessons and those lessons are inside of the water that I drink.
Yes. Those lessons. Good job. Those lessons are inside the water that you drink. Absolutely. So those atoms bond and they make water. Okay? Now, another atom is called a noble gas. Say it.
Noble gas.
Okay. A noble gas
A noble gas.
would be a krypton
A krypton.
or a neon.
A neon.
They do not bond with any other atoms. Say it.
They do not bond with any other atom because they are X.
No, close. The reason they don't bond is because they're considered a stable atom. Say it.
Stable atom.
They are considered a
stable atom.
Stable atom. Atom stable. Stable atom. Stable atom, atom stable. Stable atom, atom stable. Right. Legs are shaking. Okay, good. No shaking legs. Noble gas do not bond because they are
noble gas.
Stable atom. Okay. So hydrogen. So here's the lesson. The hydrogen atom, the oxygen atom, separately are not stable. So they bond to become stabilized. And they create another element. Which is called water. Now the reason why these atoms bond. Because they do not have enough electrons.
They do not have enough electrons.
They don't have enough electrons.
They don't have enough electrons.
So they bond. To stabilize each other. And that is the lesson for today. Good job. Good job.
That was a short one.
It was we're not finished yet. We're not finished. So, 2 hydrogen atoms.
2 hydrogen atoms.
1 oxygen atom.
1 oxygen atom.
Bond. And form.
Water.
Good job. Good job. And noble gases do not bond because they are stabilized. And the reason they are stabilized is say the reason they're stabilized is they have enough electrons. So they don't need any other electrons. They don't need any other atoms. Because they have a full valence shell. Valence, V-A-L-E-N-C, valence. Valence. Shell. They have a full valence shell. Therefore, they don't need any other atoms. So they are stabilized. So the reason why atoms bond is because they need electrons. So they can be stabilized. Okay, good job. Good job. So today we learned about atoms and why they bond. Okay, tell me, why do atoms bond?
Because they're stabilized?
Yes, because they need to be stabilized. Good job. And why do the noble gas, they don't need to bond? Why they don't need to bond?
Because they have shells.
Yes, because they have valence shells. They have enough valence shells. Yes. And that means they are stabilized. They are
stabilized.
All right, so now I want us to wrap this up. And here's what I want you to remember. This is the number one thing. Atoms bond because they need to be stabilized. Some atoms don't bond because they are already stabilized. Atoms bond because they need to be
stabilized.
Others don't because they are
Stabilized.
Some need to be
Stabilized.
Others are
Stabilized.
Some need to be
Stable.
Others
Let.
Others stable.
Stabilized.
Good job. Good job. All right, that's today's lesson.
Bye bye.